That's it, Lewis.
Go, Daddy!
Higher, higher, we want it higher.
Hey, Gage!
Lewis, let Gage do it.
Here you go, buddy.
Sheena is a punk rocker. Sheena is a punk rocker. Sheena is a punk rocker. Sheena is. You're flying it.
Here's the kite!
You got it. Gage is flying it. You got it?
Can I fly it now?
In a minute, honey. Let Gage finish his turn.
We gutted it.
We got it.
The kite goes.
Father, go ahead. Go ahead. Run, buddy.
Gage is flying it.
I'm flying.
That kite's getting up there.
Uh-oh. It got away from him, that numb shit. Oh, I got it. Daddy, can I fly it now?
Okay, in just a minute.
I want to fly it.
Uh-oh. Daddy, it's my turn now.
All right, just a minute.
Don't let him go on the road, Lewis.
Get him, Lewis! Get the baby! Get the baby! Get the baby!
Said finally took hold. Rachel's asleep.
I want to go back to my own room. I can't sleep with Mommy. She keeps stealing the covers.
Ellie, what you got there? What you got there? Let me see. Can I see? Oh, ain't that real nice? You pulling him in the wagon. Bet he liked that, didn't he?
I'm going to carry this picture, Mr. Crandall, until God lets Gage come back.
Ellie, God doesn't do things like that.
He can if he wants to. I'd have to keep his things waiting for him. That's what I think. I've got this picture, and I'm going to sit in his chair.
Ellie.
Louis, take care of your little girl. She needs you.
I knew something like this would happen. I told her when you were first married, you'll have all the grief you can stand and more, I said. And now look at this. I hope you rot in hell! Where were you when he was playing in the road? You stinking shit! You killer of children!
Daddy!
Ellie!
Stop me!
You son of a...
Shut up, bitch! You funeral. Get hold of yourself, please.
Good night, Ellie.
Good night, Daddy. Daddy? God could take it back if he wanted to, couldn't he? If he really, really wanted to. Can I have faith in that?
Yes. I suppose you can. Good night, Ellie.